Okay guys, this is a 2012 Audi A5 presented to you from TJ Chapman Auto. This is a clean title. Did have an accident, about 22,000 miles. Moderate to minor damage, nothing too bad. It's been driven about 25,000 miles, has 56 on it, so maybe 30,000 miles. So any of the problems would be all taken care of by now. You can see there is a little bit of some discoloration, but you got to be right on it to see that. You know, looks like pretty understandable. Maybe a couple little rock chips in there, but these wheels, you can see decent tread on them. Look like more like a performance tire on there. Does have a nice carbon fiber spoiler on here. This does have APR exhaust. Sounds really good. We'll start that up for you. You know, it does have a couple little nicks here in the rear bumper. Not perfect, but reconned out, looking as best they can without painting. Walking around this vehicle so you can see all the paint and how it matches and all the body lines, so you can see how well it lines up. It's got the WeatherTech floor mats. Start it up here for you. Has 53,799 miles. Power windows, heated power mirrors, memory seats. I don't see, oh nope, it does have the Bang Olfsen sound system upgrade on there. Does have heated seats. Does have navigation on there. All your car setups. Media. Does have that plug in there so you can hook up, I think, your Bluetooth. But again, there's all your manuals. I think these are all to set up to hook up your phone. There was another wire in here. I think this is so you can get your phone set up with it. Your garage door openers, all that. There again, this is presented to you from TJ Chapman Auto. Check out all our inventory we have at tjchapmanauto.com.